Charlie works in the IT department for a company. Charlie is kind of an excellent ninja with a lot of knowledge. His colleagues love him because he's a nice and helpful guy and always helps them out with their Excel problems whenever they need him. However, Charlie now faces a new and demanding challenge. His colleagues ask him for a better solution to make their business decisions based on their reports. Right now, they use Excel dashboards with Pivot, which is helpful, but they demand a more usable solution to show progressions, interactions, and so on for their forecasts. So Charlie goes to the web to research for a better solution to serve the needs of his coworkers. Additionally, he also asks his buddy Danny what he should be looking for. Charlie often helped out Danny with his Excel stuff, so he gives him the tip to use Power BI Desktop. So Charlie is curious and goes to YouTube and other web sources and learns that Power BI Desktop is a completely free tool to work with and it's downloadable on the web. So he starts to get along with Power Query, he transforms and filters his data, he also works with the data model and the relationships between the sources, and he also writes measures to enhance the possibilities of Power BI. But then, the bad news hit Charlie like a train. He learned that the Power BI web service is not free and requires licenses for the company. But then he helps out again and tells Charlie that the costs are not that big of a deal. So Charlie's relieved now because now he develops a so-called app for his colleagues with the Power BI web service to go along. The guys in his company are extremely satisfied with the new ways to analyze their business data with the Power BI desktop and web service suite. So Charlie's happy, he completed the challenge, and now he feels like a hero. And that's the end of our story. So have fun and success with Power BI.